Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm doing a project share for Decorate Your Life. I will have all of Sandy's channel information and shop information linked down below. I was asked to be a guest designer for Decorate Your Life. I will link my unboxing video up above. The first project share that I'm going to be sharing with you is from the set Cute Honeybee. This is an overview of the papers that were included in the set. I also received the add-on ephemera pack for this collection, and I will show you what I did with that. Here's the project that I created using the Cute Honeybee collection. This paper collection is so adorable. It's right up my alley. And what I did was I created an embellishment book. I have it on some rings. The first page is the cute sun, and I did add a stamp that says "You are my sunshine." I did create pockets out of each page. So in the first pocket, I created this cute tag, and I did make the tags double-sided. On the inside, I used a black pen and I outlined some of the images on the paper collections, and that allowed me to run it through my scan and cut out some images. I did that with the flower as well as with the bees. In the second pocket, I created some wax seals that match the collection, and what I've done is I used some acetate to make a clear pocket on the tag so that you can see the beautiful paper behind it, and then you can fit your embellishments right inside. I also made that one double-sided. On this next page, I bumped up one of the cupcake cutouts for some dimension. The paper is so super cute. And on this one, I've added a tag that has some coordinating ribbon for the collection. On this page, I've added some additional bees and some of the honeycomb hearts. I made another tag with the clear acetate, and I'm sharing some sequin mix that matches the collection. Made that double-sided as well. Every page has some trim along the bottom. Here you can see I've added this cupcake. And on this tag, I was able to cut some of the images, not all of them, because of some of the background design on the papers. I have an older scan and cut and it had a hard time recognizing it. It did cut out some of them. And ones that it didn't, I went in and outlined it, and that allowed the machine to find the image to cut it out. And these fit just perfectly in this acetate sleeve, and that goes in there. And I use this cute background paper for the last page. And that is my project share for the Cute Honeybee set for Decorate Your Life. Let me show you the other products that I used to create this little embellishment book. For the book itself, I used this Sizzix album cover and page die. You can see the outline right there. I used this stitched tag that I've had in my stash, and I used the "You Are My Sunshine" from this W+9 Design Studio stamp set. All of the trim is trim from my stash. I love how it turned out. It is so super cute. I'm gonna go ahead and show you some of the additional cuts that I was able to cut from some of the paper using my black outline pen, and this gave me lots more ephemera. So cute there. And then the ephemera add-on pack, I was able to just scan the sheet right through my scan and cut, and it cut out every single one just perfectly. And these are such nice large images. These will make great cutouts for cards because of their great size, and they are so adorable. Those cut out really nicely. And that is my project share for Decorate Your Life for the Cute Honeybee set. I thank you guys so much for stopping by. All of Sandy's social media will be linked down below. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye guys.